In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own domain name for a website for business use or personal use. At this website here called Namecheap, I'm going to show you how you can create your own domain name for a website for business use, personal use. So pay attention for this entire video. If you don't have your own domain name, this is a site. It's really good for email, creating your own domain email and your website for your business or personal use. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to the video. Today, we're gonna go ahead and dive into the content right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So right now I'm at Namecheap.com, and right below this video, you can go ahead and sign up and get your domain name from Namecheap.com. So right at the page here, when you click on the website, you will come right to this page here. And then this is what I want to show you. First, I want to show you, here's the promos that they have going on right now for domains all the way down to apps. So just pay attention to the domain area. So click on domain and you'll go ahead and see the promos of the apps of the domain prices for this, which is really cool. You can see this $5.98 all the way down to $11.98 for each individual one. So check out these promos as well. I really like Namecheap because it's an affordable way of getting your business started, or for personal use, or even for student use as well. Now, I want to go down here and show you as well that the reason why I choose Namecheap, and it has a frequent asked questions that's right down here. So if you're just wondering, should I choose Namecheap? Is it really good for me? I like the fact they have the personal frequent asked questions right down here. Why buy a domain name from Namecheap? It tells you right here because of the customer service experience. And then it also goes all the way down, how do I pick the right domain? And it says basically you can go ahead and search for that, which we're gonna go ahead and do right now. So I just wanna show you this right now. Just basically read over when you get a chance to learn even more about Namecheap and why Namecheap is for you. So we're gonna go ahead and choose our own domain name. You can do it in two areas. You can scroll all the way up. You can do it right here and or right here. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see search for domain names to start, or actually right here. So if I was looking for my own domain to start, if I wanted something to start, let's say freedom lifestyle. So let's say I wanted to use that as a domain. All I do is type in the actual name of the website I want to use, and it's going to give me some options, or it's going to tell me which ones are already taken. So this one is basically taken, but I can purchase it for $13,535. I'm not going to do that, all right? I don't have to do that. So I'm going to say, let me go by my name. If I say Adam Shelton, okay, so look at this. So I have some options here. I can do adamshelton.net, which is for $10.78. I can also do adamshelton.org, $9.18. So it's very, very easy. And if I want to just put if I want to put like 3 digits there, then I get the .com, because that's available. So if I want to use that as a .com, all I have to do is come right here to add cart. But then again, before I add cart here, I can continue searching if I wanted to basically keep going for different ones. So I can click on beast mode and get even more specific about exactly what I'm searching for. But if I don't want beast mode, if I just want to keep searching for it, if I say, lifestyle, if I just say lifestyle, let's see what it says here, or dream life, the dream life, I want to use that. Well, see, that's already registered for someone since 1997. The only ones I can really get would be the ones that's right here and here. Well, actually here. So dreamlife.dev. And look at this little question mark, or this little icon here. It tells you more information, that's exactly what that domain is about. It says domain and secure namespace. And it tells you more information about that, so you can get it. But make sure you read the information that's right there, that tells you about it though. So I'm gonna go back to my name. So let's say my middle name, or I should say Shelton Adam. Let's see if that's available. Last name, first name. So right here, .com is available. So if I was just doing a website over my last name, first name, I can go ahead and grab that. I can also grab this one right here that says SheltonAda.com. So just wanted to show you that. So the next thing you want to go ahead and do is add to cart. and then you want to go ahead and view the item. So you can go ahead and view the item there. Now I'm going to go back over here to looking for any type of coupons like I was doing before. Let me see if there's any coupons for this. It's a birthday deal, celebrate the birthday deal. Let me see here. Let's check this out here. Let me see, $7.90 here. So I'm going to check that actually special out and see if that would work. And I'm going to click here. And that's a name transfer. So that's a name transfer there. So if I wanted to do that, so that's about a name transfer, birthday name transfer. We're not interested in name transfer. We want to get an actually one. So I'm going to Shelton Adam. So I'm going to go here. So that basically have different promos in here. Let me see. And voila, let's see. Okay, I see Adam Shelton. See if it's already in the cart. And I'm going to view cart at the top there. View cart. And there it is. So if I did the 1 year deal, it would be only $8.88. If I do the 2 year deal, it'd be $17.79. So all the way down to, actually go all the way down to 10 year, actually. Oh my goodness. So you can get your own domain for 10 years for $88. That's actually a pretty good deal. If you did it for 10 years, you know this is going to be. So if you think about it, that's only, that's about 10 years, $88 divided by 10. That's like $8.80, per year that you're paying for that. So that's a pretty good deal. So you just stick with 1 year, you just pretty much go $8.88. So the next thing you want to go ahead and do is if you want to add any features here, like the 1 year subscription to Who is Guard. If you don't know what that is, just that question mark, it's a private protection service that hides your personal info in the public. So if you want to hide your info in the public, this is actually good, but it's automatic. You get it when you pretty much purchase your domain registration, you automatically get that. And here's the premium, which is here, and this is what the premium DNS is. It delivers 100% DNS uptime and DDoS protection with ultra-fast DNS responses worldwide. This is really good, pretty much. If you want for a business use, you want to consider getting this. You really do. You want your protection definitely on there. For business use, I would highly recommend adding this. This is what I would do. So definitely add this on here. And this is improving your site for hosting, VPN, SLL. Look into this and see if you need it. So if you need a hosting site, you can add, these are a la carte. These are a la carte areas here. Like you can do web hosting, site security made simple, VPN. Look through all this here. Some of this stuff is free trials or some of this stuff is free. So check it out. I will look at all these. If you don't have a hosting for it, consider doing this per month. So if you're gonna have a place that's hosting your website, you might want to consider getting a web hosting, which is very affordable, $4.88 per month. Professional emails is a free trial, and then it renews per year. So you can actually add your own email that connected to your website by just clicking here, and it's very, very affordable here, and you can learn more information by there. Really good. I recommend if you get a website and you don't have your own personal domain email address, go ahead and get it here. You can personalize it right here. WordPress hosting is good, $2 per month. This is managed WordPress hosting powered by Namecheap Cloud. This is also a good feature as well if you're going to do a lot of WordPressing from your website as well. And then your business card is free, which is pretty cool. Design stylish. The business card on Namecheap is good. It's kind of your basic, simple business cards, but it's something to get you going, get you started in your business or personal use. So all these are pretty good. Check them out if there's anything on here that you want to add in when you're going ahead and getting your domain registration website. So after that, you just click on confirm, and then let's say, I'm all done here. You click on confirm. Now the next thing they want you to do is create your own account. So create your own account. It's really easy and free to do. Since I already have an account, I'm gonna go ahead and just log in and show you what it looks like. So you create your own account, and then from here it's self-explanatory. Here is your cart. Here is telling you to say continue, and then you just add in your payment option here. I love the fact they can use PayPal, and they also can use other account funds like Bitcoin, which is really, really cool. So you can do that. And then your address, and then renewing your purchase, you can actually go ahead and domain registry, renewing your services right here. Automatically renew all your eligible new services. So pretty much when it's getting ready to expire, it will go automatically renew it year after year, which is good. Sometimes you may forget that and click on continue. Now, one of my favorite things I love about Namecheap is that you can chat with a live person. Just click right here. So if you're not sure about your purchase, or if you're looking for a promo code, if you're looking for like a discount, click on that chat with live person. You can chat with them about any questions and answer. And I believe it's 24/7. So all I have to do is click on chat with live person, and it goes right here, and then click all the way down to chat, live chat support. So you can read some of the articles here about any individual subject, domains, general, and then you can go right here, live chat support person. And then what you do is you can just put your name in here and then your start to chat. So I just wanted to show you that there. So if you're not sure about getting this, which, you know, I would think you would be, because it's pretty self-explanatory. Here's your domain registration, and you just continue and pay. But if you're like, okay, I have some questions about some stuff, you can go ahead and chat with a live chat support person right there. And go back right there. So this is how you order your domain website for your website. Create your own domain name for your website for personal use or business use. Click on the link below to go ahead and sign up for your Namecheap and sign up for your free account, and go ahead and get your domain name and your email address as well, which I think is still important, which I believe is important. I should say still important. It is important to go ahead and get all that together. So for more information of growing your business and your influence, click on the link below. I do have my own course, affiliate marketing, attraction marketing course, where you can brand yourself right now online. It's a really good course to help you step by step to get you in there and get your name out there, get your presence out there each and every single day. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.